Landing pages are one of the most effective ways to turn visitors into leads, subscribers, and customers. The good news is that you don't need expensive software or advanced design skills to create one. If you are already using Mailchimp for email marketing, you can build landing pages directly inside the platform. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I will show you how to create a Mailchimp landing page step by step and share some simple tips to help improve your conversion rates. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online with practical tools and strategies. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get the special offers on Mailchimp. By using the description link, any available discount or promotion will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Before we start building, let's quickly understand why landing pages are important. Unlike a normal website page, a landing page is designed around one specific goal. That goal might be collecting email subscribers, promoting a product, offering a free download, registering people for a webinar, or generating leads for your business. Because visitors have fewer distractions, landing pages often convert better than regular web pages. Now let's build one inside Mailchimp. Just click the link from description to create your account. After logging into your Mailchimp account, go to this create button, then go to landing page. Here just give a name of your landing page. Then simply click on this begin. If you are a beginner, no problem. Mailchimp gives you ready-made templates. You can choose anyone from them according to your business and your target. Let's say I want to create this landing page to generate lead, and that is why I'm going with this one, lead generation. Then it will take you to the landing page editor. Mailchimp uses a drag and drop builder, so you don't need any coding skills. You can simply click on any element and customize them visually. The first thing, you need to customize the headline. Basically, your headline is actually the first thing that your visitors see. It should clearly explain what you are offering and how someone should care. So avoid complicated language. Simple and direct headlines usually perform better. Under the headline, just add a simple description. Focus on benefits rather than features. Instead of talking about what something is, explain how it helps the visitor. Next, let's add the visuals. Depending on your offer, you can use an image, you can use product screenshot, graphic, or promotional banner. Visuals help make the page more engaging and can improve trust. Now let's create the sign up section or call to action button. This is where visitors enter their information. In most cases, asking for a first name or last name or email address is more than enough. The more fields you add, the more likely people are leave without completing the form or action. Keep the process is simple whenever possible. So I'm just keeping as it is. Now let me show you how you can change or edit this. Simply click on that. Here you can see for this field, like is it an email, first name, last name, or whatever it is. So let's say I want first name, last name, and the email. I want this like this. First name, last name, then I want the email. Now let's move to the button. Then you can control where your visitors will be redirected, like the confirmation message or the web address. Then simply click on this save and close. Now if you want to add your logo, just click on this, upload your logo, and it will be replaced. You can control the size of your logo also. You can change the style like border radius, box shadow, and border also. Basically, this call to action button is extremely important because it is where conversions happen. Instead of generic text like submit, use action, focus phrases such as get started, download free guide, join now, or get access. The button should clearly communicate what happens next. As you continue building, consider adding trust elements. This can include testimonials, customer reviews, user numbers, client logos, or short success stories. People are more likely to take action when they see others have already benefited from your offer. Another useful section is explaining the offer in a little more detail. For example, if you are offering free guide, explain what visitors will learn. If you are promoting service, then explain the results customers can expect. Keep the content focused and easy to scan. Now let's talk about the design. One mistake many beginners make is adding too many colors, images, and sections. High converting landing pages are often surprisingly simple. So focus on one message, one offer, and one call to action. When your page looks clean and easy to understand, visitors are more likely to take action. Before publishing, just take a preview. Preview the page on both desktop and mobile version. A large percentage of visitors will arrive from smartphones, so make sure everything looks good on smaller screens also. Just click on the save and close, and then you will be redirected to this page. Now here you can edit the site title and site icon. So the real power of Mailchimp comes after signs up, because the landing page is connected directly to your audience. Now you can automatically send welcome emails, nurture leads, share content, and promote offers through the email automation. This allows your landing page and email marketing system to work together as one complete lead generation funnel. That brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully now you know how to create a Mailchimp landing page and optimize it for better conversions. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description link for any available Mailchimp offers. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.